Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how high heels can elevate your style. Are you looking to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your wardrobe? Look no further than high heels. High heels bring a level of glamour and confidence to any outfit, making them a must-have in every fashion-forward women's collection. One of the most alluring features of high heels is the ability to instantly elevate your style, both literally and figuratively. High heels can make you stand taller, walk with confidence, and exert an air of sophistication that can turn heads and command attention in any setting. High heels can make you stand taller, walk with confidence, and exert an air of sophistication that can turn heads and command attention in any setting, from a casual day out to a formal evening event. High heels is another reason why they are timeless of fashion choice. With a plethora of styles, colors, and high heel heights available, you can easily find a pair that complements any outfit in your wardrobe. Whether you're wearing a little black dress for a night out, a pencil skirt for a business meeting, or jeans for a chic and casual look, high heels can instantly elevate your ensemble and add a touch of glamour. High heels also offer endless opportunity for self-expression and creativity, with a wide range of designs from classic and conservative. You can find a pair of high heels that perfectly reflects your personal style and enhances your unique fashion sensibility. Whether you prefer sleek stilettos, chunky platforms, or trendy block heels, high heels allow you to showcase your personality and express your individuality. Comfort may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of high heels, but when advances in shoe technology, many modern high heels are designed with comfort in mind. Cushioned insoles and support, and adjustment straps, and just some of the features that can make wearing high heels a more comfortable experience. Plus, the boost of confidence and pose that high heels provide can often override any discomfort. High heels are a timeless fashion choice that can elevate your style and boost your confidence. With their versatility, self-expression opportunity, and cultural significance, high heels are more than just a fashion accessory. They're a symbol of empowerment and feminine strength. So slip into a pair of high heels and watch as they transform your look and make you feel like a fashion icon wherever you go. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and hit the subscription button below. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.